Yes, this is Cassie from Mimo and Compact Sublimation. As we know, LED acrylic ornaments has become a big hit in gift markets. So in today's video, we will introduce more details of the LED acrylic ornaments, which can be personalized by sublimation and laser engraving. And we will have a simple tutorial for sublimation process, and also we will show you the finished result of the products. The acrylic ornaments for sublimation. You can see this is the package. It is made of 4mm thickness of acrylic. The back side has coating for sublimation, so you don't need to mirror the image. And the front side, and you need to remove protective film on both sides before sublimation. And the diameter is 70mm, so it is practically fit the LED lights accessories, and it comes with the battery already inside. The battery required is CR2025, and it can last 25 hours if keep lighting. And you can also purchase more from your local place. And the LED lights can vary in different colors. And you can change the color by pressing the button. Then let's check the LED acrylic ornaments for laser engraving or UV printing. The diameter is 76mm, and the thickness is also 4mm. And you can see it is a clear acrylic, both sides with protective film. And we sheet them with protective film to avoid scratches. And you need to peel off the film before laser engraving or UV printing. And this is a laser effect, you can see. And you can also print any image you like by UV printing. And it has different accessories. We have the LED lights and with the hook and support by battery inside. And we also have the one can be USB chargeable. And we also have the one drilled with a hole, come with a red ribbon, so you can choose according to your needs. Okay, so the first step, we need to peel off the protective film on both sides. I will print this design. Remember that the white side is with coating, and you need to sublimate. Then we set the machine to 180 Celsius degrees, and the time we need 80 seconds. And the sublimation paper on the top, and then press it. We will wait it to cool down for a few seconds, and then we will peel off the paper. And if the acrylic becomes soft after heating, you can use heavy stuff to make it flat. You can see we have get a beautiful personalized acrylic ornaments, and then we can add the LED lights accessory. And then you can remove the plastic strip. And you will get a finished LED acrylic ornament.